Yes, guys, we talked about in the last two videos or last video about the visualization tools, and we made some amazing dynamic dashboard. Now let's continue by creating our KPI and see what happened. In the last lecture, on the last video, we made a card and multi-row cards, and now we are making the KPI. KPI, it means the key performance indicator, and that means that you have a target and you need to achieve this target. And the KPI card, it will show that if you hit the target or if you don't hit the target. And it will show you the performance for you. So here I have the revenue and I have the trend axis. This KPI is for revenue. And that means I need to achieve the revenue that I set before by the management and see what will happen. Is in this month, did I hit the target or no? So the trend axis, it means that in this time, in this year, in this month, in this period, that depends on your parameters or your gauge or your the time of your report. So let's choose here start of the month, for example. And as you see here, we have revenue for the start of the month, 1.83 million. And this is the goal, the target goal. And this doesn't make sense because I measure the revenue for the start of the month, but the target goal is total orders. So it's not total orders here. I need to make sense for this one. So if here I search for target, this is the revenue target. As you see here, when the revenue target is, if you see here in the equation here, the revenue target, it will be the previous month target plus 10% uplift. So I need to know if this month, did I hit the target or no? That's it. So I don't need to drag the revenue target to here. I need to drag the previous, previous month revenue. That's it. This is the target goal. So I mean, this month, I hit the target or no? The target is the previous month revenue. It was 1.77, and this month is 1.83. So I hit the target. This is a checkpoint, and you see in the green color. That's it. Let's change the color. This is a great, amazing tool for measuring the performance. Let's go to the title and make it total revenue. Let's make it revenue by month. Here we go. Again, it's an amazing tool, the KPI. So let's make another one, Control-C, Control-V again. So we have the KPI for the revenue. Now let's have a KPI for orders, if you would like. So here, and for total orders, I need instead of total orders, and instead of total revenue, let's choose total orders. This one, just make it and replace it. As you see, this is the total orders, and here I need the previous month order. This one, did I hit the target? I don't need the revenue. Start of the month, so I didn't hit the target because the previous month target, it was 2.165, and this month I hit 2.146. So I didn't hit the target for the orders. I hit the target for the revenue, but not for the orders. Let's make another one. Let's make some room here. Let's make this one smaller and change the title and make it orders by month. Now let's make another one. Now here, if I need the return, total orders, I need to replace this one to make the return, for example. Total return, let's make it here. That's it. And start of the month, and I need the previous month return. This one. I know this one. So as you see here, we have, let's change the name first. And as you see here, now this is a red color. It means that the goal or the previous month, we have total return 169. But this month, we made return, we have total return 166. That means we hit the target. We have less total return than the previous month. And that means it should not be in the red color, it should be in the green color, because we have less amount in total orders. So let's go to here and make the goal. Actually, let's search it here. Color coding, yeah, that's it. High is good. No, I mean low is good. Yeah, this is fine, because now we have the previous month, as we say, 169, but this month we have total return 166, and this sounds good because we have less return, so it should be colored by green. Let's make it here. And here it's not revenue by month, it's return. Yeah, return by month. Yeah, it's fine. Again, this is the nice view for the slicers, and for the stack bar, for the KPI, for the cards. Now, if you would like to check if these numbers are correct or not, so let's validate our data. Let's choose our matrix here. If you would like to see, just for checking, let's make revenue, total revenue for the value. And columns also, we have start of the month. This one. And also here, we need total orders. Yes, this one. And as you see here in 2017, if you dig down, as you remember here in our card, the total revenue, it was 18.51. And that makes sense because the numbers, sorry, because the numbers are correct. Here we go. Let's see. Start of the month, sorry. Yes, and let's dig down this one, or maybe for 17, and go to for the quarter 2. And as you see here, the 1st of June, as you see here, start of the month, 1.82. That's it. This is the correct number. And here, I don't need the total profit. I need the total order. here for the total order, as you see, 2.146, 2.146, and this is just for validating the data that our work is totally correct. I don't need this one. Let's delete it. And again, if you would like to change this one for the date, it will change automatically here. Now let's build another visualization tool. We finish up the KPI, the cards, and now let's make card. Again, we have a card here. Oops. I don't want to replace it. So let's click here and choose a card. Now here in the card, I need to choose the product name. That's it. Again, we have just one field. So here we have all-purpose pipe stand, and this is, as you see here, it's by default, it will be first the product name, and this means that it will be arranged alphabetically. So what if this doesn't make sense actually? All-purpose pipe stand, actually I don't need this information because I don't want to know the first item in the alphabetic order. So here you can go to the last, you can woman tights, you can go to count, distinct, count, and you could measure. So here I need to make sense for this card. Let's go to filter. As you see here, let's go to filter. And here in the first product name, actually, if you see it here, you can't do anything. Contains, you can't. As you see here, you can't. This is a trick. You can't do anything. So let's drag it and drop it here again. And as you see here, we have all the options. It's just a trick in the Power BI just to filter the cards. So basic filtering, I don't need basic filtering. I need the top N. Top N, I need the number 1. And here we have the value by order. Total orders. And here apply filter. And as you see here, we choose the first product in our products that has the highest total orders, the number 1 total orders, and it's a water bottle 30. That now that makes sense. Now let's again make a copy, and I need not for this one, not for total orders, I need it for profit. Here let's choose profit, total profit. Oops. Again. Yes, here we have the total profit here. And apply filter. Mountain 20 black. Now that makes sense. We have the highest order, the highest product by orders, and the highest product by profit. This is the most profitable item we have. The mountain 2000, and the highest order is water bottle. Now let's make some formatting for it. Let's choose the title. I need the title, and let's name it top product by order. Okay, and the color, let's make it like this. It's fine. Again, you can choose whatever you want. The color, it will be, let's choose this. Yeah, that's fine. And here the same. Let's go to here and go to title, and let's name it top product by profit. Background, let's make it the same. And the background color, let's choose this one. Okay, makes sense. Pretty cool. We have the top product by profit, the top product by yes, that's it. Here we go. We have nice dashboard. We have the logo, our logo. We have the stack bar for the category name, for the subcategory. We have the matrix. We have the KPI for the revenue, the orders, the return by month. You can choose whatever you want, whatever the measures perform to measure the performance you need for the KPI. Also, we have the cards, and we know the trick here, how we can filter our card by text, top product by order, and top product by profit. That's it. Still, we have things to go. Now, let's choose. We have maps. Actually, we have maps here. We have this one, field map, and we have the classic one, map, and the field map, and also we have the Arcgis map. Let's go to this one and see what is here. Actually, it's a map, so let's choose the continent, location, or country. Here, location, it will be country. That should be. And as you see here, you can go in, and this is the small dots here in North America, South America, Africa, Europe, and so on. Now here, the size. Let's choose the order. I need the location, the orders. Where's the most orders in the world? So I need the total orders and the size. Give it to me here. As you see, there is a big size or high total orders in North America, and also we have it here. Let's go to here. We have less in Europe, we have less here in Pacific, and so on. Now we have another one. Let's choose, as we learned this one, let's take the revenue, total revenue, and make it in the tooltip. So when you stand here, you see the total orders and total revenue. And again, let's take a profit, total profit, and the tooltip here. And when you stand here, you see all the data here. Now, what if I need to choose one place? North America, Europe, Asia, Australia, and so on. Now, let's add a slicer. Let's choose here. Again, as we know this one, this is the slicer. Now, in the slicer, let's take the continent. And we have the Europe, North America, and Pacific. I needed to make it, you can make it like this one, drop down, and or list. So if I go to here, for example, it depends on your needs or on your shop. For general orientation, let's make it from vertical to horizontal, and it shows like this. Let's make it here. Yes, don't worry, I will fill this one again. And let's choose here in the selection control. I have single select, multi-select, and we have select all option. We have it here like select all. Drop down. As you see it here, you can choose whatever you want, or again, you can make it as a list. That's it. Let's fit it here. Yes. Again, don't worry, I will make another page for the room. Yes, exactly that's what I need. And that's it. Actually, here I need no header. So again, in the formatting, let's see if we need to do anything here. Actually, nothing to do, or do whatever you want for the formatting. As you see here, all the format option, and this one you can select all. You can choose Europe, and now as you see the revenue, the goal, the revenue, see the revenue, we didn't hit the target in Europe. So we have total revenue by month 1.2, while the target is 1.22. And we hit the target. For the return, we have less return in the Europe, 109, and the previous month, 126. And also in the orders, 1502, and the previous month was 1540. Again, the goal, you decided it by the management or by your judgment. As you see here, we select all and all thing up. That's it. We have KPIs, we have a lot of visualization tool, a lot will come to see. Now let's stand here. For example, if I need to change anything to another one, so I don't have, replace it, I don't have to add it. So let's stand here and for example, and make a tree map. Where's the tree map? I guess this one, not that. Oops, actually the new one has changed the tree map, changed the slicer. Where's the tree map? Yeah, that's it. And as you see, we just replace this one, just hit it and change it, replace it by another one. As you see, it's a composition for the total revenue, for the total orders by category name, but it's a composition here, and it shows the percentage for this one. It means that the accessories, it has the largest amount, while the bikes still number 2 and the clothing is still number 3. If you stand here, you see the total orders and total revenue, and when you press it again, you see all the changes here. That's it. More to go. See you guys.